Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have some LED lights, one of the most amazing inventions of the modern era, the LED diode. LED, short for light-emitting diode. Might sound fancy, but it's actually quite simple. It's a tiny electronic component that emits light when its electric current passes through. But don't let its size fool you. LED are mighty powerful. Yes, the LEDs are powerful. Let's take this for example. I bought this from AliExpress, and believe it or not, it's a 50-watt LED light that works directly on AC voltage from 110 volts up to 220 volts AC. You can see that all electronics like bridge rectifier diodes are here, and on this yellow spot we have a bunch of micro LEDs that bring 50 watts of LED light. Also, I'm gonna show you one of my early DIY projects using a powerful LEDs. Here I have used 2 by 10 watts LED chips. 1, 2, and we have 2 resistors. For each LED chip we need to regulate the current. Also, the LED chips generate a lot of heat. I have added a small fan to cool down the heatsink. I have added a power jack and switch. Let's try it and see how it works. I'm gonna use my homemade power bank that is made out of wood case. Let's test the battery, 11.1 volts. Also I have built-in LEDs from each side. On this pin it gives 12 volts, also on this jack. And here it is, 2 times by 10 watts LED light. Turn it on. It's pretty loud, but it's working fine. 20 watts of LED's portable light. Let's kill the light of my studio just to see how much light is emitting this gadget. So how the LEDs work? Well, it's all about electrons and photons. When the electric current flows through the semiconductor material inside a LED, it energizes the electrons, causing them to release photons, tiny packets of light. The process is called electroluminescence. So you have wondered, what is this? This is a 3D printed pattern, and it looks awesome. Inside there are a bunch of 5mm LEDs, self-fading RGB LEDs. Each LED is individual. Let's turn off the lights of the studio to see the better effect. Take a look. Great colors changing in each color, red, green, blue, and it's a beautiful pentagon form, 3D printed, and turn out pretty cool, and it's amazing. And this is a DIY giant LED that I made it from epoxy resin. Just to power off this. It's cool. Okay, that was all for today's video. I hope you learned something new. You see different size and types of LED. You see my homemade projects like this amazing RGB self-fading 3D printed light. We have seen the powerful LEDs, the homemade epoxy resin, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Please give a like, share the video and subscribe to my channel. See ya!